If you're tired of spending a fortune on repairs and want a car that's truly built to last, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the 7 most reliable cars of 2025 and 2026, models designed to keep running smoothly for years, backed by top safety and durability ratings. Let's get into the first 4, and trust me, these rides prove that reliability and modern features can go hand in hand. Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross takes the trusted Corolla name into the SUV world, offering compact size, excellent fuel economy, and legendary Toyota reliability. It's perfect for those wanting a no-nonsense, dependable vehicle with modern SUV versatility. The Corolla Cross keeps things simple but effective with a proven 2.0 liters 4-cylinder engine paired with a CVT or optional AWD system. It's tuned for smooth, fuel-efficient driving, perfect for daily commutes or weekend errands without a fuss. The styling is modern yet understated, with clean lines and a compact SUV shape that fits urban and suburban lifestyles. LED headlights and a refreshed grille give it a fresh look without trying too hard. Its smaller size also means easier parking and maneuverability. Inside, you get a practical and straightforward cabin with high-quality plastics and comfortable seats. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus plenty of storage cubbies. It's cozy but functional, exactly what you want from a daily driver built to last. It's a perfect car if you want zero headaches and steady performance year after year. Reliable, affordable, and practical, the trifecta of long-term value. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more space and ruggedness, check out the next one. A true workhorse that keeps its cool no matter what. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V continues to be a favorite for families and commuters alike, known for its spacious cabin, efficient powertrain, and strong track record of reliability. It's a compact SUV that balances comfort with long-lasting performance. Honda's CR-V remains a benchmark in the compact SUV segment with its reliable turbocharged 1.5 liters engine and smooth CVT transmission. It delivers a responsive yet efficient drive, whether you're cruising highways or navigating city streets. The exterior styling is bold but timeless, with sharp LED headlights, a bold grille, and sculpted body lines. It projects confidence without screaming for attention, a look that ages well. The rear spoiler and alloy wheels add a sporty touch to this family-friendly SUV. Inside, the CR-V offers a spacious cabin with user-friendly controls and plenty of tech features. Quality materials, ergonomic seats, and a large infotainment screen make every ride comfortable. Ample cargo space and smart storage solutions give it serious practicality. The CR-V's blend of reliability, comfort, and strong resale value make it a top pick for anyone who wants peace of mind. Honda's reputation for long-lasting engines and solid build quality shines through here. It's no surprise this SUV continues to dominate sales charts year after year. But if you want a sedan that blends reliability with luxury touches, the next car is going to impress you. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is a staple in the midsize sedan segment, known for its balanced performance, comfort, and, of course, legendary reliability. It's a sedan that has consistently delivered value to drivers for decades. The 2025 Camry comes with a choice of a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder, a powerful V6, or a hybrid powertrain that's among the best in its class. Its smooth, shifting automatic transmission and refined suspension deliver a comfortable, confident drive. With a sleek, aerodynamic profile and sharp LED headlamps, the Camry looks modern and sporty. The aggressive front grille and sculpted side panels give it a dynamic presence. It manages to blend elegance with athleticism effortlessly. Inside, the Camry offers a quiet, well-insulated cabin with premium cloth or leather seating options. A large touchscreen, digital instrument cluster, and Apple CarPlay/Android Auto integration create a connected environment. Spacious rear seats and thoughtful ergonomics make it comfortable for all passengers. The Camry's unmatched reliability and comfortable ride make it a perennial favorite among families and commuters alike. It's built to withstand the test of time, with low maintenance costs and strong resale value. Simply put, the Camry delivers dependable quality without compromising style or comfort. Ready for a luxury SUV that's as reliable as it is elegant? Up next is a perfect blend of both worlds. Lexus RX 500h. The Lexus RX 500h represents luxury and reliability perfectly blended into a hybrid SUV that delivers comfort, performance, and peace of mind. It's a top pick for buyers wanting upscale features without sacrificing durability. Lexus's RX 500h Hybrid combines a powerful V6 with electric motors to deliver smooth, quiet power and excellent fuel economy. The AWD system enhances stability and grip in all conditions, while the suspension balances comfort and responsiveness. This hybrid setup is as reliable as it is refined, reflecting Lexus's commitment to quality. The RX sports a bold spindle grille, sculpted hood, and sharp-lit headlights that give it a commanding presence. Aerodynamic curves and 20-inch alloy wheels add to the upscale look. Inside, luxury takes center stage with premium leather seats, wood trim, and advanced ambient lighting. The large touchscreen infotainment and premium audio system create a high-tech yet cozy environment. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and comfort features. The RX 500h combines Lexus's legendary reliability with hybrid efficiency and luxury finishes. It's a vehicle you can trust for years, with lower emissions and impressive fuel savings. For those who want peace of mind with a premium feel, this SUV is a no-brainer. That's the first four, but trust me, the next three will blow you away with even more reliability and value. Mazda CX-90. The Mazda CX-90 is Mazda's new flagship SUV that combines sporty handling with premium touches and impressive reliability. It's designed to satisfy drivers who want luxury without compromising dependability. Under the hood, the CX-90 offers a turbocharged inline-six engine delivering strong acceleration and smooth power delivery. The CX-90 boasts sleek, flowing lines and a refined front grille that gives it a sophisticated yet athletic stance. LED lighting elements add a modern flair, while the carefully sculpted body creates a commanding presence on the road. Its design strikes a perfect balance between elegance and sportiness. Inside, the cabin features high-quality materials, including leather upholstery and real wood accents. The driver-focused cockpit, large touchscreen, and premium sound system offer a luxurious experience. Passengers enjoy spacious seating and smart storage solutions for convenience. Mazda CX-90 stands out for blending upscale refinement with rock-solid reliability. It's an SUV that doesn't just look good but performs dependably day in and day out. For those wanting premium features and peace of mind, this is a top contender. Up next, a bold American SUV that has earned a reputation for toughness and longevity. You don't want to miss this one. GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is a versatile midsize SUV known for its comfortable ride, spacious interior, and strong reliability ratings. It's perfect for families who need a roomy vehicle without sacrificing durability. The Acadia offers a range of powertrains including a fuel-efficient four-cylinder turbo and a robust V6 engine option, delivering solid performance and smooth acceleration. The Acadia sports a bold and confident design with a prominent grille, sharp LED headlights, and sleek body lines that convey strength and style. Its muscular stance and aerodynamic shape give it a commanding presence on the road. The overall look is modern yet practical, appealing to a wide range of drivers. Inside, the Acadia boasts a spacious cabin with comfortable seating for up to 7 passengers, making it ideal for families. High-quality materials, intuitive controls, and a large infotainment touchscreen enhance the driving experience. There's plenty of cargo space and smart storage compartments for everyday convenience. The GMC Acadia stands out for combining comfort, space, and reliability in one well-rounded SUV. Its strong build quality and advanced safety features provide peace of mind for long journeys. For anyone needing a dependable midsize SUV with family-friendly features, the Acadia is a top contender. Last but not least, we have an adventure-ready hybrid that's as reliable as it is efficient, perfect for the eco-conscious driver. Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid. The Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid combines Subaru's famous AWD capability with hybrid efficiency, making it a standout for eco-conscious, adventurous drivers. It's compact, reliable, and ready for all kinds of terrain. Powered by a hybrid powertrain that pairs a 2.0 liters boxer engine with electric motors, the Crosstrek Hybrid delivers smooth, efficient power. Its symmetrical AWD system provides excellent grip in all weather and off-road situations. The ride is comfortable and composed, with reliable mechanicals that last. The Crosstrek Hybrid sports rugged styling with higher ground clearance, black cladding, and roof rails for outdoor gear. Its bold grille and LED headlights enhance its tough, outdoorsy appearance. Compact yet commanding, it's built to handle both city streets and trails. Inside, it offers a practical cabin with durable materials and user-friendly tech features like a touchscreen and smartphone integration. The seats are supportive for long drives, and the rear cargo area is surprisingly spacious. The overall vibe is functional and adventure-ready. The Crosstrek Hybrid stands out for combining Subaru's legendary reliability and AWD prowess with modern hybrid tech. It's a great choice for those who want to save on fuel without sacrificing capability or dependability. A reliable, versatile SUV that's ready for any journey. Now that you've seen the full lineup, let's take a quick look at what Consumer Reports says about these vehicles. Consumer Reports consistently ranks these 7 vehicles high on their reliability and owner satisfaction lists. Each model combines proven engineering, durable materials, and thoughtful design to minimize repairs and maximize longevity. Whether you prefer a compact SUV like the Corolla Cross or a hybrid like the Crosstrek, these cars are built to keep you driving worry-free for many years. These recommendations come from extensive testing and feedback, giving you confidence in your next vehicle purchase. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more trusted car reviews. Got questions or experiences with any of these cars? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to share this video with friends or family who might be shopping for a reliable ride in 2025 to 26. See you in the next video where we'll cover more amazing cars and automotive tips to keep you ahead of the curve.